Students, now we are going to talk about method of contraception. Actually, in previous video lecture I have defined you the population explosion cause and the problems, but the major problems of population explosion is to have the lack of contraceptions and the uses of contraceptions among the broad range of peoples. Actually, we need to know what is contraception. Just simple meaning of contraception is the any way by which the pregnancy is delayed. That is the way to delay pregnancy. The simple term of contraception is the way or method to delay pregnancy. Keep in mind, contraceptions either may be temporary or permanent. Keep in mind, the temporary contraceptions are often used to make a gap between two child. That is, suppose that a parent required single child and after 5 months or 8 after the 5 years or 8 years or 10 years they required the second child, means there is a 5 to 10 years gap in between two childs. Then the temporary methods of contraceptions are effective. While if parents have single childs or two childs, then what happen if the parents required a permanent permanent delays or permanent stoppage of pregnancy, then there is requirement of permanent method of contraception. That is the two way of contraception. So simple meaning of contraception means the way to delay the pregnancy or the way to stoppage of pregnancy. It can be defined many way. Better to you that you can define the contraception in your own language, and the notes regarding contraceptions will provide you, but it is having a very important terms, and in them that is the important concept will be heading, will be in form of heading, and that will be often to you often provide to you in order to explain them in your own language. So there is a way there is the different types of contraceptions, that is temporary and permanent. Now back to focus on very important questions that probably may ask regarding the contraception, and it is not available in the notes. The characteristics of ideal contraceptions. It should be noted down by you. Characteristics of ideal contraceptions. Actually, the tools and techniques, process, or any natural artificial method by which the pregnancy is delayed, or it may temporary or permanently offed by the parents, there is the contraceptions. But some of the techniques, some of the tools, and some of the equipments object often used for the temporary and permanent methods of contraceptions. So let me talk about the characteristics of ideal contraception. What should be the importance, what should be the key features of an ideal contraceptions and of an ideal contraceptive devices. Actually, there are two words, contraceptions and contraceptives. Contraceptive means all equipments or devices or any objects by which the contraceptions, means the way of pregnancy get delayed. That is, there is the tools, technique, or any equipment that used often to delay the pregnancy or to avoid the pregnancy. That is actually the contraceptive. Contraceptives, if you use the word contraceptives, then the one word should be added in front, that is as a suffix for the contraceptives, that is contraceptive devices. Contraceptives along is not a suited word. So next time when you use the contraceptives, then there will be the contraceptive devices, contraceptive equipments, or any contraceptive method. So any way by which we can by which human being can able to delay the pregnancy or make a child gap, there will be contraceptives. Contraceptive and contraception is the method, and contraceptive means all the equipment or devices. So ideal contraceptives should be easily available. There is no need to search elsewhere. That is, it is locally available. It is cheaper. It is cheaper. That is in range of a common person. The next one, that is the next ideal contraceptives, it is effective. It is effective. Effective means when it used, then there is a 100% guarantee. There is 100% guarantees of delayed pregnancy. Then next, it is reversible. Reversible. In previous year, I don't have in my mind, but it was actually asked in about before 2 to 3 years. That is, what is reversible contraceptives and what are the key characteristics of reversible contraceptive. Reversible and irreversible contraceptive means when you adopt any kinds of contraceptives. That is, suppose that when you adopt when the people adopt any kinds of contraceptives in order to delay the pregnancy, then it will effective only during the uses, when people use the contraceptives for about 10 years. Then in between the 10 years there is 100% guarantees of the avoidance of pregnancy delayed. But when the contraceptives get stopped, then there is 100% guarantee the contraceptions will actually withdraw their effect and there will be chance of pregnancy. It means as the parents require child, they stop the contraceptions. As the parents need a gap, they will begin to continue the contraceptive devices. So reversible means the ideal contraceptive reversible means the parents, if required child, then the contraceptive devices get stopped, and then parents will have happy of their child. If the parents use contraceptives once, and that will be lifetime that will perform the lifetime avoidance of pregnancy, there will be irreversible. There will be irreversible contraceptive. So irreversible और reversible के concept में क्या है, अगर contraceptive devices को रोक दें तो pregnancy परफॉर्म हो जाएगी, अगर कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव डिवाइसेस को अप्लाई कर दे तो प्रेगनेंसी 100% लाइफ टाइम के लिए वो अप्लाई हो जाएगी. देयर विल बी नो चांस ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी थ्रू आउट द लाइफ स्पैन, एंड दैट काइंड्स ऑफ contraceptives is known as irreversible. And reversible means when the people stop taking the contraceptive devices, then there will be pregnancy. So I hope you have a concept regarding your concept regarding the reversible and irreversible contraceptives will be cleared. And next, the ideal contraceptives should have no training required. No training required. It means no medical supervision required. No medical supervision required. There is no need of medical supervision. So these are some important characteristics that make a contraceptive devices ideal for the general purpose, for the use of public and for the use of reproductive health care infrastructures. But that is the ideal contraceptive, definition of contraceptives, types of contraceptives. But our main heading is methods of contraceptives. Before talking about the methods of contraceptions, there is no need to know the advantage of contraceptions. It is your homework. The advantages of contraception is your homework to explain what are the advantages. As you all know, to make the gap between two child, to overcome the problem of population, and so many things that you can explain the advantages of contraceptions. Now back to the methods, different methods of contraceptions. Basically, the 4 types of contraceptions actually is in your syllabus. 4 types. The natural method of contraception, second one is barrier method of contraception, third one is chemical method of contraception, and fourth one is surgical method of contraception. Now back to the natural. Apart from natural, all these, that is barrier, chemical and surgical methods, are actually required a well trained and well artificially prepared environment in order to provide in order to prevent the pregnancy. But the way of natural method of contraception is actually there is a no need of medical supervision, and it is under control by human, and that is actually the under practice by the human. Now back to the different way of natural method of contraceptions. Actually natural method of contraceptions may be the lactational amenorrhea method. Keep in mind, the natural method of contraception is in human hand, but barrier, chemical and surgical method is depend upon the other tools and technique, but the natural method of contraception is in human hand. Now back to the different ways of natural method of contraception. The lactational amenorrhea. Lactational amenorrhea. Lactational amenorrhea method means it is also known as method. It is also known as LAM. Lactational amenorrhea method. It is very important. LAM method is very important. It is natural method of contraception, and it was discussed in chapter 3. Actually, at the time of lactation means the duration in which the baby feed milk from the mother. Listen carefully. The duration in which baby feed milk from mother, that is called as the lactational or the period of lactation. So at that time there is a lot of amount of prolactin hormones released out from the body of from the pituitary of mother, and it was discussed earlier. And the prolactin hormones not only responsible for the formation of milk in mother, it also responsible to suppress the GnRH. GnRH from the hypothalamus of the mother, and when the mother's unable to secrete the GnRH, then there will be no follicular and no gonadotropin secreted from the pituitary, and there will be no follicular events happen, and there will be no ovulation taken out. So lactational amenorrhea method is effective method only for the 6 months. It should be noted down by you for up to 6 months it is effective, and after 6 months if the baby continue feed milk, then there will be no effect of lactational amenorrhea, and it is under control. So baby milk feeding should be continued by the mothers, and it is required by the mothers up to 6 months, up to 9 months. Now back to the next method of contraceptions, that is under the natural contraception, that is B, periodic abstinence. Periodic abstinence. Actually the period between 10 to 17 days, as you all know, at the time of ovulation, at the mid of 14th days of menstrual cycle, the egg will available into the region of fallopian tube, and if the egg do not found, the ovum do not found sperm into the region of fallopian tube, then it will get damaged, it will get died within 2 days. Within 2 days, 1 to 2 days, the egg, if do not found any kinds of sperm, it do not able to form the zygote, and it will get died, and along with mens of endometrium, it will get also fall down from the outside of the body. It means it get ruptured. So as you all know, the mid of menstrual cycle is actually a sign of ovulation. It means it is guaranteed the ova will be transferred from the ovary to the fallopian tube, and it will remain for 2 days. It means the 14, 15 and 16 days. But here I have added the 1 more days above and 4 before days, that is 10 to 17 days. Often it is 14 to 17 days of a period is called fertile phase, but here I have counted the 10 to 17 days. So between 14 to 17 days, avoidance of coitus actually prevent the process of fertilization and chance of pregnancy, and this phenomenon is known as the periodic abstinence. So you should write about the periodic abstinence in your own language. Now the A, B and C. C, that is the third part of natural method of contraceptions. Avoidance of coitus before ejaculation. It means, as the peoples know that there is a ejaculation term, that is the transfer of gametes, then before the transfer of gametes, people and the public should have released out their external genitalia outside from the external part during the coitus. It means avoidance of coitus before ejaculation. It should be noted down by you. Now back to the next, that is barrier method. All about the barrier method, chemical method and surgical method will be discussed in next video lecture.